Hi, my name is Nadine Twofather, and I am Dean Twofather. We are sisters. We're from London, United Kingdom. Our good friend Jeff and Tommy, whom are from Jamaica, took us on holiday. We're in Jamaica and we're having loads of fun in this lovely resort. It's absolutely brilliant. We love it here.
Welcome to St. Elizabeth. I'm Jeff. I'll take you to your resort.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you. We're excited to see it.
This way.
I love it here. It is lovely in Jamaica. I wish Tommy was here.
Welcome to Jamaica. Glad you're enjoying it. Hi, Tommy. How are things in JA? I'm here with the girls.
Hi Jeff, how are the girls doing? They are doing okay. We went to Negril and Ocho Rios and tomorrow we will be going to Portland.
I just talked to Tommy.
What is he saying?
Tommy said to tell you he's so sorry he wasn't here with you lot. He also said I should take good care of you.
So, where to next?
We will be going to all the hot spots in and around here.
Sounds brilliant. Yeah, let's go.
You have to see places like Treasure Beach and Wyers Falls.
Treasure Beach, what's that like? And Wyers Falls?
They're stunning. Ladies, for the tour, there's Pelican Bar, Jake's, and if you're not scared of crocodiles, we can do that too. Crocodiles, really?
Interesting.
They should be back in the UK next week, Tuesday, the 11th of this month. Yeah, I know, and I will definitely sort out that things we talk about. I want to send you some fry fish and bammy too, along with Magnum and a few bottles of rums too.
Amazing.
I hope they won't be overload.
Whatever you are sending me, please don't forget the shoes, I beg you.
All right, Tommy, I got it.
I need them for a party on the 19th.
Everyone, we're at Dunn's River Falls. It's amazing. Let's climb up. Now we're at Zelen Restaurant. Highly recommend it. Dunn's River Falls was so much. The water was amazing. And then the cable car at Mystic Mountain. And the lunch was delicious. Wow, this drive is amazing. I know, the beach is so beautiful.
Welcome to Jamaica. We're heading to Portland.
Yeah, let's go swim. Race you to the water. This is paradise. I don't want to go back to the UK. Me neither. Jamaica's perfect. Let's stay. Definitely.
Is the thing reach you as yet? Yes, me have it off foot, yeah. That is the only reason why I spend so much money on them, you know. Me no really want a relationship. Nash is everywhere, plus Marva are getting impatient. Me know them where them man. 2 days left to go, you know. Do me a favor, book them into the CGLA resort just across from the airport.
All right, Tommy, I'm on it.
Good. Again, whatever you're doing, I need those shoes badly. Shall I give them the $4,000 US or what? Yes, give it to them.
Yeah, man.
That is money we can double, and next time they won't be reluctant.
True.
Who is that?
It's me, Jeff.
Hey, Jeff. Come in.
Here are the shoes for you to take back.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes, thank you.
Ready for the airport?
We are. Let's go. Thanks, Jeff. Yeah, the trip was amazing.
No problem. Here are your bags.
Thanks again.
Tommy, the two ladies are at the airport checking in for the UK. Okay, boss, we talk soon.
I think the check-in counter is this way. Yes, I see the sign. Let's go. I'm so excited for the UK.
Please place your bag on the scale. Hold on, this bag needs extra screening. We found contraband in your luggage. We are detaining you to determine the quantities.
What? That's impossible. This is a mistake.
Police, you're under arrest. Hands behind your back. Now,
What? This is a mistake.
to the Freeport station. Move.
Hi, Mum. It's me. We're at the police station in Montego Bay. We got locked up, but we're okay. We need help. Please send someone. How did this happen? How did we get here? I don't know. It's all a blur.
Breaking news, 2 British nationals, females aged 23 followed, were caught at Norman Manley International Airport with drugs bound for London. 23-year-old Nadine Twofather and her sister Dion Twofather were caught at the airport with 8 kilos of crack cocaine concealed in shoes in their suitcase. On remand, it is alleged that the man in Montego Bay was held in connection with drugs. The 2 will be transferred to Montego Bay today.
Hi Tommy, I'm about to lose it, man. Why, what happened? The girls are in trouble. They are in jail as I speak. Come on, man, stop joking. I am not joking. I can say it all over the news and on social media. I won't be staying here in the city. Wait, what? I have a run to a resort in the West Coast area. I thought you said the link was solid. Now look what happened.
Jeff Get Rich was caught and arrested in Montego Bay at a hotel and locked away in the Freeport police station. According to our reliable sources, we were told that he was the mastermind behind all of this. Jeff has confessed to the police. They found crack cocaine and a firearm at his home on Dummy Avenue. There is also another man involved in this ring. His name is Jason Walcott, also known as Tummy, a 35-year-old Jamaican man, who lives in the United Kingdom at 18 Vaux Road, London, UK.
I have information on Tommy. He's in the UK, involved in a major operation. Go on, Jeff. Give me all the details. He's using fake passports.
Tommy, it's the station. Jeff's spilling the tea. What? No way, he's actually talking. Yep, everything. Just a heads up.
No time, gotta run! Police, stop right there! You'll never catch me!
We have breaking news. We are looking for Jason Walcott, also known as Tummy, a 35-year-old man. He is believed to be in the Vaughan Road area of London.
Lord, me dear mercy. Me hear say 2 women I try carry drugs to England and them hold them at the airport. Me hear, but them woman them mad. I hungry them hungry or make some drugs dealer fooling them up. I must greedy them. Greedy. Life cost so hard at England. I me hear say 2 white girls, them cannot be more than about 25 to 30. I wonder what their parents is saying. Maybe their parents are licky too. Maybe their parents don't even know what these girls are up to. Someone tell me say the parents have begged money to get lawyer to come to Jamaica and work on the case. Can that work?
Court time. Let's go.
What, right now? We have to?
Yes, downstairs, now. The court has considered the evidence. The verdict is guilty. Sentencing will follow. I hereby sentence you to 6 years in prison.
What no prank? Me there. Me hear say 2 white girls try carry coke to England. Serious, what kind of madness that? Try smuggle coke out of the country through Mobe and them danga 14 a ball. Serious? Real talk. It was on the news the other day. Me hear say the 2 white girls make some man give them a holiday and in turn give them shoes loaded with coke to take back to England. Now them danga 14 a cry. It's all over social media. My friends same see it on social media. Boy, with them your technology them have at the airport, them fool E-man.
Yo, easy with him. Take it easy on him. The boy are wicked. Him set up 2 innocent girls and have them over Port Augusta suffer. I wish I never got involved in this thing. Now I'm suffering. I'm so sorry for what I have put the 2 girls through. Please forgive me.
I can't believe we're here. This is all my fault. I know everything. I wish we could go back. Hi, everyone out there. Be careful. We've been there and we wear the t-shirt. For trusting the wrong person, as you can see, we suffered. In a hot Jamaican prison, it was a very expensive mistake. I know. I can't believe it.
Not even your own family you can trust when traveling. Always pack your bags by yourself. Remember to love all and trust none.